Engine 9, Engine 3, Engine 2, Engine 6, Truck 3, Truck 2, Battalion Chief 1, Battalion Chief 2, and Operator 1. Respond to structure fire first alarm. 604A. At North Pilgrim Street. Cross streets are between St. Amer and Pisho Street.
Hold on the repeat.
10-4.
Control 2, Engine 9's on scene, single story, single family, heavy fire from the Charlie side. We're going to be stretching the line. We got water behind us at Roosevelt.
10-4, Battalion 1, copy.
Battalion 1, copy.
There you go, straight ahead. Straight ahead, door, you can't miss it.
Control 2, Engine 9. We're going to be going through the front door. There's heavy fire on the Charlie side. You can get 30 into your second Charlie side.
10-4, looks like Engine 3 is next to almost something.
On scene. We're going to have water in the first line.
10-4, Engine 6.
Get low, there we go. Keep going. Right behind you. Get behind the door.
It's 3 is on scene. Get a line to the Charlie side.
10-4, Inspector.
See that fire in the attic, Tyler?
Truck 3 on scene. We're going to split.
Truck 3 splitting.
There you go. Can you move forward?
Engine 2's on scene, ready.
Engine 2 on scene.
Truck 2's on scene. Outside bin. What's off?
Truck 2 on scene.
See if you can take this corner.
That was on scene with the Pilgrim Command. Command post me just outside the structure.
10-4, Pilgrim Command.
Make a push. We're good. I got your hose right here, okay? You got fire on your left. You see it right there? Yep.
We get eyes on the Charlie side of the house. We have a hole in the ground. Can we get eyes on the rear? See if there's a basement here.
Hey, hello here. Oh, hello right here. All right. Right here, right by that fire.
Hey, hold up right there, okay?
Yeah. Keep spraying.
Can you roll us the exact address?
Command, Truck 2, doesn't appear there's a basement. They got to get knocked on the fire. Rear looks good. Command copy. Break. Engine 9, you copy that. Looks like you're getting a good knock. Truck 2 can't find any Velcro doors. Command, Truck 2, utilities secure. Command copy.
Keep spraying. Do that. Look above me, look above me. Blast through this wall right here.
Pilgrim, command, talk to you. 10 minutes.
Command copy, 10 minutes. Okay, Truck 2, we can use a red light to the rear whenever there's an opportunity.
They got a good knock on the fire. Yeah, looks good.
Get on that side.
Command copy. Break. Engine 9, you copy that.
Command, Truck 2 roof. Okay. You got smart go fire. Command copy.
Yeah, hole right here. So there's a hole in the floor about, I don't know, 4 feet when you walk in, okay? And go ahead and start hole in the floor.
Command, Battalion 2's on scene. I'll take ISO and check the seaside.
Command copy. Command copy. Fire's complete.
Hey, we need the line. Hey, we need the line over here. Hey, we need the line up over here, second line. Head back inside. I'm behind you. Tyler. Right there.
Copy that. You want your call for engine 2. Get that back there.
Right behind you.
Truck break. Fire's locked down. Command copy. Fire's locked down. Break. Control 2, command. And we can put the fire under control and go on monitor.
10, we're stopping the clock back at you.
Let's do a rig and maybe look for BS opportunities. Edge, who's on scene right here. They got to knock on the fire. Yeah.
Pilgrim, command, talk to you. 10 minutes in.
this way. Huh? It's on fire, Rick.
Cut it.
Maybe there was a door at one time.
Hey, Bryn.
There's a door there now.
Hey, they were bringing that red line around back. I told them to go inside with it. Follow up the line with you guys.
I was putting my pack on, you know. Swing my pack on, I turn around and look. And Christian May is probably 2 feet from the ground, forward with 5-inch, you know.
Oh, just full lean, dude.
Look of defeat. in
Full
his
lean.
face. I said,
And
where is it, Christian? I'll help you if it's
he's
close.
not a small guy, yeah. Where's the hydrant, dude? Where?